Hello everyone. Today's topic is while loop. You are watching Coding with Kant and here we learn about Python. So, welcome you all again. Now let's talk about previous video. We completed our if-else statement or condition in Python and the example of apple and orange was awesome. So, let's begin. So from today onwards, we will use PyCharm for Python programming. So the link is provided in the description for the previous video as well as the process for installation of the latest version of PyCharm. Now, there exist two looping statements in Python. One is for loop and the other is while loop. Today we'll learn about a while loop. So, what if you have to print hello world in the screen? You will just write this particular code, print hello world, and we'll just run it. We can see the hello world has been printed successfully in the terminal. Now, what if you have to print hello world 2 times? Now you will what you will do, you will just copy this thing and what you will do, you will just paste it over here, and again you will just run this. So we can see that hello world has been printed 2 times in the screen. Now what if you are asked to print hello world 1000 times? No, we will not copy paste the code 1000 of times. Rather than that, we will use looping statement. So first see what looping statements are. Loops have 3 points in basic. First is starting point, that is initialization. So the starting point means where should the loop start from? Where should the loop will start from? Let me increase the font size so that you all can see everything clearly. So now second is condition. Second one is condition. Whenever the provided condition will be satisfied, the loop will continue to run. If not, then terminated. Now, the third one is updation. The updation of value inside the loop. Let's see all these things in action. So, we'll use while loop over here and we'll set the condition as true. Now we'll print hello world over here. So hello world, and we'll just run it. Oh, what's happening? So let me tell you what's happening over here. Now here the condition will always be true as we set the condition of while as true. So the condition will always be true and the loop will go on printing hello world infinite times. Means the loop will goes on printing hello world. So that created a infinite loop over here. So let me terminate this. So first of all, clap for yourself. You have created an infinite loop over here. Now, what if we want to print hello world 10 times? So we'll first set a condition, or else you can say a counter over here. Counter. So we'll initialize the value of counter as 1. Now we will print we will first check the value of counter over here. If the value of counter is greater than or equal to 10, sorry, less than or equal to 10, then only we will print hello world. And after printing hello world, we will increase the value of counter. So counter plus equal to 1. So here we are using increment operator. We are just increasing the value of counter by 1. Now what if we will run this particular program? We can see now, let me increase the size of terminal. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We can see that hello world has been printed only 10 times. That means we have successfully printed hello world 10 times in the screen. Now what if we want to print how many times hello world is being printed in the screen? So for that we will use this particular counter variable, and we'll separate the value of counter and the hello world by a comma, and we'll just run this like this. We will run it like this, and yeah, we can see the result. It's printing hello world. It's printing hello world from 1 to 10. Now what if we want only this particular number to be printed, this particular counter to be printed? So we will just remove this hello world which we are printing. From here we will just print counter, that's it, and we'll run this program, and that will give us the favorable outcome. So it's printing from 1 till 10. Now what if we want to print coding with Kant 3 times in a single line? So for that we will use another counter named C, and we'll initialize it with 1. Now we'll use another while loop inside the first while loop. We'll check the condition as C is less than equal to 3 or not. We'll just print what? Coding with Kant over here. Now we will update the value. So C plus equal to 1. We are increasing the value of C by 1. Now let's see what will be our result. So no, we are not getting our favorable outcome. So let me do one thing. Let's remove this particular C equal to 1 from there, and we'll paste it over. Sorry, we will paste it over here. Now the end of this particular print will be a space bar, and the end of this particular print will be a comma, and we will print a new line over here. New line over here. Now what if we run this particular program now? Yeah, we got our favorable outcome. We can see that let me increase the terminal size. Yeah, we can see that in this one, coding with Kant is coming 3 times and till 10. So we got our favorable outcome now. So I hope you liked my video. Tomorrow we will continue with for loop, and for that stay tuned and give a thumbs up if you like the video. There are several ways by which you all can help me out. Few of them are by liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. So stay tuned, and thank you.